Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, here you will get the beautiful interior designs for your house. So friends, if you like my content, then please do subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much. Friends, today video is about a PVC marble sheet. There you can see there are the beautiful marble sheet designs. These are all the latest designs because PVC marble sheet, also known as PVC marble board or a marble panel. It is a type of interior decorative material designed to replicate the appearance of natural marble. It is made from a combination of PVC like polyvinyl chloride and other additives, which are then processed to create a sheet with a marble like pattern on the surface. Here are some features and characteristics of PVC marble sheets. First one is the appearance. PVC marble sheets are designed to intimate the look of natural marble with a high resolution print. They come in a various patterns, colors and textures, offering various designs option to suit different interior styles. Another advantage is cost effective. PVC marble sheets are much more affordable than genuine marble, making them a cost effective alternative for those seeking the aesthetics of marble without the price tag. And it is easy installation. The sheets are lightweight and easy to handle, allowing for straightforward installation on walls, ceilings or other surface. They can be easily cut, trim and glue in place, reducing installation times and cost. Another feature is the low maintenance. PVC marble sheets are easy to clean and maintain. They are water resistant and can be wiped down with a damp cloth to remove dirt and stains. Another feature is the durability. PVC marble sheets are durable and resistant to wear, scratches and impact. They do not require sealing or special care, making them suitable for high traffic areas. Another feature of the marble sheet is the sheets can be used in various interior applications including wall cladding, ceiling panels, kitchen backsplash and many more. Another advantage insulation properties. PVC has a good thermal and acoustic insulation properties which can contribute to a more comfortable indoor environment. Another features of PVC sheet is environment friendly options. Some manufacturers offer eco-friendly PVC marble sheet made from recycled materials or using sustainable production practice. It is important to note that while PVC marble sheet offers a cost-effective and aesthetically pleasing solution, but they do not have the same natural characteristics and depth as real marble. The patterns and veining are printed onto the surface and may not be as authentic as genuine stone. So when choosing the PVC marble sheets, look for high quality products from reputable, or if you want, you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. And you have any queries regarding to the PVC marble sheet, you can message me in the comment box.